Sometimes you want a border. Sometimes you want a frame. Most of the time, you want them both. Use silver alignment lines on the punch tray to create corners for frames. Use black alignment lines on the front of the punch for making borders, just like with traditional border punches. How to create a border. Step 1. Insert your paper so the far edge lines up with the small black marking on the front of the punch. Step 2. Making sure the paper is pushed to the back of the punch, press down on the top lever to cut the first section of your border. Step 3. To cut the next section of your border, move the section you've just punched to line up with the pattern on the punch tray and punch again. Step 4. Continue along the length of the paper. How to create a frame. Step 1. Start with a paper sized in even increments, no smaller than 4 by 4. It does not need to be square. For example, 8 by 12, etc. Step 2. Insert your paper so the far edge lines up with the long silver marking on the punch tray. Step 3. Making sure the paper is pushed to the back of the punch, press down on the top lever to cut the first section of your frame. Step 4. When you remove the paper from the punch, there will be a small piece of rectangular unpunched paper in the corner. Step 5. Rotate the paper and align this small rectangular piece with the long silver markings on the other side of the punch tray and punch again. Step 6. Repeat steps 2 to 5 with the 3 remaining corners of your paper. Step 7. If you started with a 6 by 6 or smaller piece of paper, you're done. For larger papers, punch the remaining edges by aligning your corners with the pattern on the punch tray and punch again. Step 8. Continue along the length of the paper on all remaining edges. We can't wait to see what you create.